Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the charts. And this is what our screen has to offer. Yes, the big pullback that I spoke of has happened. Yes, it has happened. The question is this continuing to happen or it's going to find itself at this support? Now, that's a very nice question for everyone to ask at this moment. It's a very nice question because this is our first major support that we expect the price to bounce at. If the price is has already gone past it at of this time, the next thing we should be looking towards is the price maybe bouncing at 18k. We wouldn't really want it to bounce at 18k, that's the truth. Now let's on our indicators to see how far. Now the indicator, my Chimoku cloud, the price is in the cloud. Hopefully before the end of today we pray it doesn't surpass the cloud. Let me on my EMA ribbon. My EMA ribbon is saying the price has passed that 200 point moving average and almost crossing our cloud as well. And the ribbons are as well about to cross each other, which is a significant stuff. Now there could be a possibility coming to my RSI. Now I announced initially a bearish divergence. What's the bearish divergence? Let me off this, guys. Bearish divergence is when the market price is going high and the indicator is coming low. RSI is coming low. It's that simple. It's that simple. So this is what the bearish divergence is. An indicator coming low, high, low. This is a bearish divergence and it surfaces almost all the time. Surfaces almost all the time. Almost all the time. Once you see it, be mindful. The move will happen. The move is set to happen. Now I want to really launch us into this move. Good momentum from this end. Good momentum from this end. As you can see, the sell pressure at this zone has enough volume than even this buy pressure itself. Yes, the sell pressure from it has enough volume. That these are the things to consider when conducting a major analysis. When knowing that okay, this price might fall anytime soon. And in days, Bitcoin fell 18 to 19%. So this is a good move. Yes, I will call this a good move. Now there is this high probability that Bitcoin might get super angry and dump to this level. Yes, and start playing around this zone again. There's that high probability. There's that high probability because looking at the volume at which Bitcoin is using, it might weak off. It might weak off even before the end of today or tomorrow to this zone. Then through the weekend there will be a massive consolidation to knowing which guys will hold the momentum of the market. Now let's look at Bitcoin in the hourly chart. The hourly chart, obviously the hour chart at Bitcoin, the price is at the ground level of the RSI. Now I love and I enjoy using the RSI. Why? Because it tells me the correct momentum of the market, the weightedness of the market, the weight of the market, how solid these guys are. Now when I combined my understanding of the RSI with my understanding of volume and its impact in price to the understanding I have to the nature of what the price played out, I end up having a good reason why I should trade a particular asset or not. Now combining those knowledge with my other indicators gives me an edge to say should I trade or not. And hey, Even after such multiple understanding, strategy, alignment, I still fail in some trade. I still lose some trade. I still lose some. But the good thing is that I win far better than I lose. So that's the major encouragement. And the secret is being patient to understanding why this guy is doing what he's doing. Now, you might not be using RSI, but try to understand why your indicators are moving wide when they were moving. Try aligning them together. If they all at least more than half of your indicator gives you similar information, then you have a strategy to trade upwards. So for now, RSI on the hourly chart, Bitcoin is more like consolidating because the volume is just choppy, just giving us some choppy views. So we are going back to the daily and moving to Ethereum. Now, wow, I love this. Like, I love this. Now, if you should remember my last video, once I spoke about Ethereum, I drew this faction that we are at a consolidative space of which we might break the perfect. I love this. I love this. Now, let it not be as if I drew this before. You could go through my last video and you would see it already done there. So I give the analysis that Ethereum might come out, go for a slight retest, and boom, off down to this level, somewhere around this level, 1300, and here we are at 1400. Don't exactly pattern. Now we have not gone for the retest itself, but that is it. A wise trader would want to wait for a test, but that might take you so many days. So it's advisable to trade inside, because now if I should go to the 1 hour, I might have seen a retest already. Now this consolidation led the coming out. Now this move happened, right? This move happened. Please look very patiently at the screen. This breakdown happened, right? It consolidated for a while, so I too would be waiting for a breakdown here. Now let's consider something very fast. Now I too will be waiting for a breakdown here, of which it did happen. And what next followed? A retest. It went back to touch the level it came from, stayed there, touched. Now what I will be considering at this point is not majorly the touch anymore, but the volume at which it is touching. Now the volume for buyers here were very poor, and the sellers are looking very poor until I saw this nice volume of sell off. Now this nice volume of sell off, I looked the nature of the candle. The nature of the candle looks more like an indecision, wanted to give us a shooting star. I stay patient to see what next happens. The buyers came with a good volume, and boom, I saw a nice volume on the selling side, and I chose to enter the market here, and this would be me. Now I'm just telling us, if that was what I did, this would be me, eating already 7% from Ethereum on the. So this is why you enjoy trading inside the day. Now with your daily, you would not see such moves, but with your 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you get to see the moves faster and you enjoy quicker profit. So that's what I'm trying to say here. So Ethereum is doing as well as it should be doing. Now if you want to know how this guy, you want to be a part of this system of this guy trades, he makes money, I want to invest with this guy, we have a trading platform known as the Charts Investment. Now the Charts Investment is just a platform whence you make a deposit of any amount you have. We run a minimum deposit of 20,000 naira at a silver plan and maximum at 2 million, and a gold plan of 3 million to 50 million, and your remittance, your ROI comes yearly on the gold plan, 45% a year for 3 years, and your ROI for your silver plan, which minimum deposit is 20k and maximum is 2 million, you earn 10% monthly. Now if you're compounding you earn an extra 5% for leaving your money for 6 months. So guys, this is where people join this analysis setup and make good money by them not doing anything, just signing up to the charts, investing, and leaving the rest. I'll be dropping a link to the channel, I'll be dropping a link to the website at my description box. So as you click to subscribe, as you like the video, as you comment, I would also like you to check out the site, sign up, and get yourself making money. It's not about you seeing me creating business opportunities and entering good trades and making huge money out of it. It's about you getting involved with the hundreds of persons already involved in the system. Thank you guys. I love you. See you on our next video.